Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now, the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
Hello everybody, this is Andrew Darius, and 5 hours ago I got email from OpenAI. The GPT store launches next week. So, what they require from you is of course to have GPT, obviously, and also require you to verify your builder profile. And this is exactly what I'll be teaching you. So as soon as I got email, I posted this post on Facebook asking my followers, if this is something you want to see. And this is a post. GPT store is opening next week. Who wants my 1 hour, 44 minutes training? Right now, I am in my winter house in upstate New York, so not my normal environment, but this is hot, so I'm making this video for you. So guys, this is ad hoc slides I prepared for you, and let me talk you through what you need to have in order to launch your stuff in a GPT store. And I'll be calling them apps. Those are called ChatGPT, GPT assistants, is mouthful, but what they are really is apps. So let's call them apps, GPT apps, because they kind of have the same function as apps, because they're using them within the environment on ChatGPT, but they function like something ready for user, right? Kind of like an app. So next week, OpenAI is releasing GPT store. This is why it's important right now to get into the store before everybody else, because those who get early usually have a big, huge advantage. So 2 slides about me. I'm Andrew Darius, and over the past 20 years, I've served more than 57,000 customers, sold over 207,000 digital products myself, and another 91,000 as an affiliate. I was invited to speak on the world's largest AI conference online. Also, slides from my life. This is slides for Expert Summit, where only people over 500,000 yearly were invited. My play, my family, wheel, goggles. This is my recognition award, $6 million in one of my accounts. And this is pretty much all about me. What's important for you is that you will have early mover advantage of ChatGPT assistant apps. It is massive, guys. But the clock is ticking, and you don't want to be left behind. It is very similar to being early into Internet revolution. So if you had an app before 2000 bubble burst, you could make a lot of money. So you want to be very, very early. It's like being early to sell on Amazon, because when you were early on Amazon, it was very easy to sell. It was not much competition. It was very easy to sell a lot. Right now, it's pretty hard. And also, it's like being very early on Facebook. At the beginning, it was very easy to make very simple advertisement and convert $1 to $4. And now it's very hard to promote on Facebook. Many people lose money on front-end promotion on Facebook just to make money on the back end. And also, it's like being very early in App Store, guys. If you guys remember this Fart app. Fart app, I don't know how many millions downloads this app had. It was crazy then. Right now, if you put up on App Store, it is nothing. You just cannot get in front of people. Opportunities appeared and then disappeared. Appeared and then disappeared. Appeared and then disappeared. And this is how the world works. So right now, you have opportunity to participate in GPT store launch next week, but you need to know how to do it. So guys, how to get ready for GPT store launch? The GPT store is rolling out next week, and this is an announcement from back then from OpenAI. They say starting today you can create GPTs and share them publicly. Later this month, now is next week, we are launching GPT store featuring creation by verified builders. Once in the store, GPTs become searchable and may climb the leaderboards. This is why it is important for you guys to be early. We'll also spotlight the most useful and delightful GPTs we come across in categories like productivity, education, just for fun, and of course more categories. They just listed 3 because when you make a statement, you cannot put more than 3. It's normal. In the coming months, you will also be able to earn money based on how many people are using your ChatGPT. This is why you need to be early. You need to have amazing GPTs, and I will show you how to do it. So guys, there are a few things you need to do to give yourself a head start. First one, you need to be ready. You need to be able to build it very easy way, very fast way, and need to be useful. People need to start using it, and they use it more and more. That way you climb on the leaderboard. So this is very important how to create it. Not just creating it, but what is inside. And this is what I'll be teaching you in the training. And very important, create your profile and verify it. There are 2 ways to verify your profile. I will teach you in the course how to do it exactly. I will show you every single step how to do it. And you need to add a few GPTs early. Important for you is you need to be early, and this is why you need my training. You don't need to code. You'll be able to just talk to GPT to build them, but also in how to not talk to GPT, and sometimes you need to bypass this talking and make it work. So I will show you 3 different ways. I will show how to build ChatGPT by just typing commands, typing prompts into the GPT builder. Then I will show you how to do it directly with files and with a prompt directly added. It is a great way to do it so GPT builder will not mess it up. And the third part is how to combine both. So you can start building with GPT builder and then change it. Everything is a training. You can get a training right now. And it is what is important to mention, the OpenAI will be centered on the builder. At the beginning of every platform, usually, the platform is focusing on the builders at the beginning, making it easy for them to build. They're open, the rules are relaxed. But when the more competition comes in, more people build GPTs, they introduce new rules, some things are no longer allowed, and so on. This is pretty similar on Facebook. At Facebook at the beginning, they allow developers to do anything. You could make app which was a replacement for list of your friends. And then you could make application like games, playing against your friends, rating your friends, all this kind of stuff with friends. It was like huge application, top friends or something like this back in the day. Then Facebook banned it. And then you had the gaming application, like Zynga was very popular, like literally $millions of monthly revenue and players just from recommendation in the feed, in notification. And then Facebook banned those notifications from games, and Zynga viral spread went down. And the same with small developers. So don't be late. Don't be late with GPTs. I will not be late. I have my apps there. I have 43 apps already there, and you will be actually able to get access to those is a bonus. So if you get this training, and I'm not making this training 997 or not even 497, not even my price, so it's not 297, it will be just low ticket, like super low ticket, so most people can get in and start making those amazing GPT apps. So the bonus is access to use my 43 GPTs. So essentially you'll be able to go in, get the training. Training is 1 hour 43 minutes, so it's not like 10 hours you need to watch, but also not like 10 minutes. It's going deep, as much deep as is needed, but not over with it. It's actionable. You go in, 1 hour 43 minutes, and you know everything you need to know: how to build ChatGPT 3 different ways, how to make it usable, and how to verify your builder approval. Everything is in training. It's very nice package of training, but also you will get this bonus, access to use my 43 GPTs. So it's not only GPTs for the sake of GPTs, not only GPTs for the sake of getting this revenue share, but also to recommend your product, maybe to recommend your newsletter, maybe to recommend everything you need to recommend. So this is very, very important. And guys, it's very low ticket, so don't worry about it, just get it. And here's what you get inside. When you log into member area, you see 1 hour, 43 minutes, and 30 seconds. And below are links to 43 GPTs you will get. And also I'm adding more GPTs. I will add short story generator, hook generator, and more of those I will be adding over time. And guys, this is the front end. Of course, I have an upsell, which you will be able to get after you get this very low ticket, is actually GPT source code. So as you see right now, there are 33 GPTs here. And the upsell is very simple. You will get source code for my GPTs. Copy paste. You will get all the other elements of my GPTs, and then you can essentially launch as your own, so you can be ready next week with verified profile and with my source code GPTs in. Just to make sure, on this front end, you're getting the training and you're getting access to use those 43 GPTs. And after you get it, you will see the upsell, which will be just this page and me talking about this upsell. So guys, thank you very much. And just grab it right now because the time is now. You want to get on GPT Store next week and you need this training. Thank you guys. Love you all. Take care guys. Bye bye.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.